So this is here that when we use our speech organs in collaboration with our exhaling breath, we create sounds, and lips, this area, the lower lip and the upper lip and close contact create a kind of, so this is something like this. If this is lower lip, okay, let us say if my thumb is lower lip, then this goes up. Now, upper part cannot move. The upper part, because the upper jaw is fixed. So the lower has to go. It's something like this. And then it's sudden release. Sudden release. Pa, pa, ba, ba, something like this. My upper part is moving here because it is a finger, very difficult, but this is the point here. So similarly in English, so when the air comes through nose, then this is ma, morning, morning, or when it comes from mouth into the external environment, pa, pa. So what we say, word like puppy, this dog's, or say polish, polish, p, polish. Now, when we speak these sounds, there is not only sound, but also you have the explosion or another. So when we are speaking to microphone, the microphone also catches not only the sound, but also the touching of the lip and explosion. So and this guard, this helps in retaining the one from here. So this is a kind of filter. Got this point? Hello? Hello, Avishka. Could you
Yes,
make
sir.
out what I'm saying? So this is a kind of filter. So when I'm using this filter, then in the recording studio, when singers are rendering a song, they use it so that the lip sound is not recorded. Only sound is recorded. So we call that explosive sounds, which explode. So explosive sounds. Okay. Well, this is interesting. And that is where you see, if we can understand the whole classification of sounds and their different places, that is the beginning, this lip part, go inside tongue, the front of the tongue, then the palate, teeth part, middle of the tongue, then the upper part. When I open my mouth more, then I create sounds like ka, 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 kha, ga, do. So these sounds like ha, horse, horse, horse. So that sound is coming from the back. Horse, not from the front. If you use the front mouth, front part for H, then the sound will be harsh, 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 something like this. Okay, so there are different language cultures. So they have developed sound predictions. And in our audio recording of a story, this would be important, that we know sounds that are produced by lips or by teeth and lip, or by the middle part of the tongue, or by the front part of the tongue, or the back part of the tongue. So there is a table. That table will tell you everything about it. I'll give you that table.